You search plan my 5-day trip to Tokyo, and instead of 10 blue links, you get a working day-by-day itinerary app, built on the spot. That's JustVibe, today's #1 product on Product Hunt, and I wanted to see if a search engine that answers with apps actually holds up. JustVibe bills itself as the search engine that answers with apps. You type what you want to plan a trip, find a recipe, make a mood board, practice a language, and instead of search results, it generates a small interactive app tailored to that exact request, running right in your browser. No sign up, no install. The site's own line is blunt about it, 100% free. No account required. Just search. There's no traditional homepage of categories, just a search bar and a button labeled Surprise Me. Type a prompt, and JustVibe spins up a purpose-built mini-app around it. On the site right now you can see this play out across wildly different requests: a trip planner with day-by-day tabs and a map, an ingredient matcher that turns eggs, spinach, and feta into a frittata recipe, a mood board creator for curating visual palettes, and a Spanish conversation practice tool for ordering coffee. Every one of these is generated fresh, not picked from a template library, and every generated app gets its own permanent link, so you can revisit or share it later. JustVibe topped Product Hunt's daily leaderboard on July 12 with 558 votes, the most upvoted launch of the day, ahead of 4 other AI tools competing for the same spot. This one's short, it's free. No tiers, no paywall, no account required to search or use a generated app. JustVibe doesn't publish a separate pricing page, the entire pitch is search and go at zero cost. This is built for people who want a quick, disposable tool rather than an article about the topic: parents figuring out dinner from what's in the fridge, someone sketching a trip itinerary before committing to a full planning app, a hobbyist making a drum loop or a star chart for tonight's sky. If you need a permanent, deeply customizable tool, a generated one-off app isn't that. But for, I need a quick thing that does exactly this one task, it's a genuinely different answer to a search bar than a list of links. JustVibe isn't trying to replace Google, it's testing whether search results should sometimes just be software. For free, no account, disposable tools built around exactly what you typed, it's a clever bet. That's JustVibe. If you want the next review to cover a specific tool, drop it in the comments, and subscribe if you want daily breakdowns like this one.